Hello, gentlemen. Suppose you're wondering why I brought you here today. Truth be told, the contents of our bag are something quite notable. You see, I know you've been waiting for quite a while. The Regency is upon us. And I have something I think you'll find quite interesting. The pamphlet. Now, the pamphlet alone is not enough to really have a good time. Which is why I have somebody to see playing cards. Please amuse yourself with our other gentleman friend here, distinguished guest. And let the time pass while we let our tea sleep. Now, while you're doing that, I'll have to amuse myself some other way. Might take some persuasion, though. A fascinating novel, a brilliant read. I must admit, though, I'm feeling a bit peckish, and I imagine you must be too. Have some biscotti. And yourself, some more biscotti. But we may be drawing short on time. I'll have to check my calendar of events 2021. Another fascinating read along with our scavenger hunt. I'm sure as you do it, you'll find something fascinating. And the whole thing may take you a good long walk. But the time will be worth it, I assure you. So you'll find yet another stash. Never let it sleep long enough. I trust your game has been going well. Playing it a little bit wrong. And there we have it, gentlemen. A brilliant time for all. And as you take the time for yourselves, I bid you adieu.